Good morning, Rowlett Middle students and staff, and welcome to Quarter 2's 6th grade virtual honor roll assembly.
Hooray, hooray! Celebrations. We are so excited to be here celebrating these awesome student leaders on our campus, both inside and outside the classroom.
Absolutely. And I will tell you a little sneak peek. We may be doing away with virtual ceremonies.
Oh,
We
man.
may be working on in-person
Oh, I am
ceremonies.
so excited.
So we're really hoping to be able to at least a couple times a year get everyone together, get the grade level together, and get you all up on the stage to receive a handshake from Mr. Clark and I and Miss Dean, because we are so very proud of you. So this may be one of the last virtual
Right.
ceremonies.
Hopefully. So this will be the last one. We are extending our virtual handshakes to you
Yes,
as
thank
you
you.
are crossing our virtual stage.
And actually, your iLead teacher will hopefully extend that handshake for
Right.
all four of us.
Right.
Miss Dean, Mr. Clark, Miss Erickson, and your teacher. And of course, we represent all of your teachers because they all want to shake your hand.
This is true.
All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Miss Bennett's 4.0 students, Levi C, Jacob F, Pierce F, Brody G, Amarian M, and Evan P. Great job, Miss Bennett's 4.0 students. Miss Bennett's 3.5 and higher students, Sawyer A, Kendall B, Raphael D, Zoe D, Aiden E, Joseph C, Brantley E, Vika L, Mackenzie P, Tegan D, and Jackson M. Great job.
Good job, everyone.
4.0 and 3.5 and higher.
All right. On over to Miss Cody's 6th grade class. Ivan, this is a 4.0 students. Ivan P, Mackenzie P, and Macy S. Congratulations, 4.0 students. 3.5 students are Matthew P, Elijah S, Natalia S, and Samuel R. Well done.
All right, great job, Miss Cody's kiddos. 4.0 and higher in Miss Frischman's class. Maya F and Leonel G. Great job, Miss Frischman's 4.0 students. And 3.5 or higher, we have Levi F, Sawyer G, Nathan H, Caroline F, Adriel G, and that's it for Miss Frischman's class. Great job,
Good job,
students.
good job. All right, on to Miss Josie's class. We have Mateo A, Evangeline R, 4.0 students. Good job.
Great job, 4.0 kiddos.
And 3.5 enough. We have 2 students, Colin B and Tomas B. Good job.
All right, Miss Josie's class. Great. Up next is Miss Powers, 4.0 students, and they are Reagan A, Ryan A, Ezekiel C, Hazel C, Allison F, Nathaniel I, Austin P, Michaela R, Emily S, Eva S, Rachel S, Jillian V, and Ty W. Those
Wow,
are
look,
4.0 for
man,
Miss
good job,
Powers.
Miss Powers
Yeah,
class.
great
Way
job.
to rock it.
And 3.5 or higher. Nothing to sneeze at a 3.5
No, of
or
course
higher. Matthew I, Kenley L, Evelyn R, Christopher T, Andre T, and Lily W.
Good
Wonderful
job.
job.
Good job.
Miss
I bet you
Powers.
they'll be 4.0s next time.
I bet
they'll-
you're right.
All right, on to Mr. Rez's class. No 4.0 students this quarter, but we have a few 3.5 students. We have Kyle M, Adeline M, Annabelle O, and Addison K. Good job, Mr. Rez's
All
class.
right, Mr. Reyes' class. Miss Ritz's 4.0 students, Anthony B, Reese T, and Kia T. Great job, 4.0 students in Miss Ritz's class.
Woohoo!
3.5 and higher, Riley T, Paul V, Sydney W, Rylan T, Josiel T, Christopher V, Drew W, and Christina Z. Great job, Miss class.
All right, on to Miss Shook. We have 4.0, 2 students. We have Sky C, Evie D. Good job, 4.0 students. 3.5 students. We have Zenmar C, Myla D, Brenda F, Kylie M, Addison C, Abigail E, and lastly, Kayla E. Well done.
All right, good students. Miss Ski's 4.0 students. Willow B, Abigail H, Leah K, and Devin K. 4.0 and higher for Miss Ski. And 3.5, oh, that's 4.0. We don't have higher, we just have 4.0.
We should have higher.
In high school classes, in 8th grade, you'll be able to go higher than 4.
That's true.
All right, 3.5 and higher in Miss Ski's class. Daniela H, Ian J, Eva K, Alex H, Ella K, Jeremiah H, Angel J, and Noah L. Wonderful job.
Good job. And that is actually the last of all of our 6th grade students that will be recognized. One round of applause again for these students. We are so proud of all of you who reached this awesome goal of reaching honor roll. You don't just roll out of bed and get honor roll. And it's not just about being smart. It's about being organized. It's about getting the help that you need. It's about being ready to learn each day and having a positive mindset. Congratulations to all of you students who reached that goal, but the challenge is on. We challenge all the students who do not meet honor roll. You too can be in this club with that hard work, with that organization, and with getting the support you need. So we'll see you in honor roll 3rd quarter. Have an awesome day and continue to get 1 inch better each day as another challenge. And I guarantee that you'll be effort honor roll and field day. Did I say that right?
Effort honor roll.
Effort honor roll
Field day.
and field day and honor roll for 3rd
So
quarter.
academic honor roll.
Right, all of them.
Which is this. And then effort honor roll, which is effort honor roll field day. But today it's effort honor roll board game day. So enjoy your effort honor roll board game day. Enjoy your day off Monday. Please remember leadership is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. And remember the leadership of Dr. Martin Luther King and all the great leaders that have made positive change in our community.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Take care.
Bye.